welcome back. Today we're gonna get back to work on the CRX HF. Back there, technically we're working on the Integra because in the last video, if y'all didn't see it, we pulled the swap out of the CRX, the single cam, and in this video we're gonna be pulling the swap out of the DA Integra, which is the B18A1. And I want to get the CRX engine bay cleaned up too, just so it's ready to go. Whenever we're ready to drop the motor into the CRX, it'll be ready. So I might clean the engine more as well, but I'm kind of thinking of waiting until we get all the new parts that we're gonna put on the motor and then just cleaning it up then. I'm not sure yet, but the main goal is just getting the swap out of the Integra. So I guess let's go ahead and get started.
Cheese in the medium?
Yes.
Sprite? There you are, ma'am.
Thank you so much. You too. I wonder what this is all about. I'm trying to figure out what it's supposed to be saying. This was like a O after the T, and there's like a dot there, and that says thread. I'm not sure what that part's supposed to say, but here's the drain bolt. It's like a screw-on cap looking thing, and I don't think that's factory. At least I've never seen one look like that, but I don't know. I'm scared to open it, especially with whatever this is trying to tell us. I'll leave that to Ron to figure out. This one sucks. It hasn't gotten any easier, and I've been at this for a while. I think it's like taking out the whole stud instead of just the nut, because the nut hasn't really moved. It's turning something. Well, I finally got it off, but as you can see, those threads are not happy with me, but I'm just glad it came off. That took forever. I'm trying to get the axle out, but it's dripping out this nasty stuff from the boot. I can't get under it or that's gonna drip on me. I don't want that on me. Ew. I'm just gonna send it. Oh, that wasn't even bad, guys. Do you remember how clean I was when I pulled the engine out of the CRX? I haven't even got the engine out yet and I'm already this filthy. Like, how am I gonna get this off my leg? Oh my god. Well, I didn't quite hit my goal of getting the engine out tonight. It's still gonna come out in this video. I'm a little bummed that I didn't get it out tonight, but it's already 10:30 and I still have to wash up. I still have to clean up all the tools. And I can just tell that I'm getting like tired and like not really focused, and I just want to be focused when I'm trying to pull this motor because it's going to make it a lot easier and a lot less dangerous. I'm going to go clean up and wind down. See you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, I just got the shift linkage undone. I just unbolted the whole shifter and left the linkage attached to the transmission. Right now, I'm going to disconnect the hoist from the single cam and get it ready to attach it to this motor. Let's go ahead and get it hooked up. The hoist is officially all hooked up to the motor. We are so close. I'm probably gonna pull that hood off before we start hoisting it out, just so I don't have to worry about that hitting the hood. But I'm gonna go eat some dinner real quick and I'll be right back. guys, now that we got the motor out of the Integra and the Integra out of the shop, what I want to do now is go ahead and start scrubbing the CRX engine bay and getting it cleaned up. So we are gonna take it to the car wash and blast the bay out, but first I wanted to just do some scrubbing to help loosen some stuff up first, because sometimes, like, no matter how hard you blast something with a pressure washer, if you don't scrub it, like, stuff just doesn't come off. So that's what we're gonna do, and then we'll finally end this video because it's probably already kind of long. It is a bit hot today, but that's just how it is in Texas, so we're gonna have to get used to it. So let's get to work. Here's how it's looking so far. Wow, big difference. It's actually bright white again. It was like gray before. We are still gonna take it to the car wash. We got the trailer over here. We're gonna have to push the car back in the shop so we can get the trailer lined up. But I still just wanna blast it. Ew, that's the stuff that came out of here. I didn't wanna ruin my brushes with some of the stuff that this car still has on it, and like the grime on the cross member and the subframe. I just want to get like some engine degreaser on there and blast that, and then blast the underside of the hood, just like in these areas and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do next. Head to the car wash. Oh yeah, and I wanted to mention, I heard good things about this Dawn Platinum Power Wash dish spray, and I hadn't used it yet until now, and I'm really impressed. The reason why I chose to use like a dish soap instead of like a degreaser, if y'all haven't seen me or heard me talk about the one time where I used Super Clean, y'all know the purple bottle degreaser stuff, I used that. It worked really good, and if it wasn't for it killing my throat, I would love it. But I think this is a good alternative that's not gonna ruin my throat. But yeah, I've been suffering ever since. Any little thing, any little chemical or dirt will irritate my throat ever since I used Super Clean. So that sucks, but this is a good alternative. So I just wanted to tell y'all about it because it actually works really good for this type of stuff. Well, there we have it. The CRX bay is all cleaned up and ready for the new motor, which is right here. So in the next video, the plan is to do whatever we need to do to this motor to get it, you know, refreshed enough to go in the car. Probably like timing belt, water pump, and all that. Valve cover gasket, oil pan gasket. I think we're gonna get this thing on the engine stand, so while we have the transmission off, we'll check out the clutch. If it needs a new clutch, we'll get that. And you know, just freshen it up, get some new seals and stuff. And then we'll order whatever parts we need to do the swap, and then it'll be time to go in the car. Yeah, a little at a time, but we're getting there. It's getting closer to going in the car. So the next video will probably just be like engine prep, getting it ready, and then the video after that should be it going in the car. So yeah, I don't know if y'all guys are excited, but I'm excited. I know this has taken a long time and I've been slacking on videos. I apologize, guys. I know you're probably tired of hearing me say that, but I am going to be focusing on YouTube a lot more lately. So stay tuned for more videos. I'm feeling good again, feeling motivated. But I think that's all for this video. I'm sure it's probably a plenty long video by now. So I'm going to wrap it up right here, guys. Let me know if y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all did. If y'all did, feel free to smash that like button, and if y'all want to stay tuned to see the CRX get running, please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.